Hello children. Today we learn social study of standard 4. Okay children, take out your textbook, open page number 11. Okay children, the Northern Mountains, chapter 2. India is a unique country in which all major landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and deserts are found. Northern Himalayas stretch across the northern border of India. It includes the Himalaya and the Karakoram mountain ranges. The Himalaya means abode of snow, or you can say a house of snow, because most peaks in the northern mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. The highest mountain peak in the world is the Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters high and located in Nepal. The Himalayas can be divided into three parallel ranges. There are the Great Himalaya Himadri, the Middle Himalaya Himachal, and the Lower Himalaya Shahivalik. The Great Himalaya or Himadri. The Great Himalaya or Himadri is the northmost range of the Himalayas. It remains covered with, turn your page children, page number 12, open, snow throughout the year. Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Annapurna, and Nanda Devi are the highest peaks that are located in these ranges. Glaciers, which are big, originated in these ranges. These glaciers melt to form rivers. These like Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra. The Ganga starts from Gangotri Glacier and the Yamuna from the Yamutri Glacier. Many brave men and women have risked their lives to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to climb this peak in 1984. Santosh Yadav was the first Indian woman to climb Everest twice. Arjun Vajpayee was the youngest Indian to climb in May 2010. Then the Middle Himalaya or Himachal. The Middle Himalaya or the beautiful Himachal range lies to the south of the Himadri range. Middle Himalayas are lower than the Himadri. The slopes of these mountains are covered with thick forest of pine, char, and deodar trees. Many hill stations like Simla, Nainital, Dalhousie, Mysore, Almora, Darjeeling, Gulmarg are located in this region. Fruits like apple, apricot, cherries, plums, and peach are grown here. Then till children, the lower Himalaya or Shahivalik range are the lowest of the Himalayas. It lies on the foothill of Himalayas. They are also called Tira region. These hills are known for their thick forest and wild animal. Most of the forest have been cleared, and the land crops such as rice, maize, and fruits are grown here. Cattle rearing is also common in hilly areas. The Tria region has many national parks and wildlife saturated. They are covered with thick forests. They have a huge variety of animals. These includes Giro, Kashi, Dantia, Naga, Loshie, and Mijo hills. There are many valleys in the Shahivik range. These valleys are called dunes. Dehradun is an example of such dunes. It is a green valley. Mount Godwine, Austin or K2 is the highest peak of India and second highest peak of the world. It lies in the Karakoram ranges. Okay children, thank you.